Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Dodge Journey SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in granite and it looks great. Up front here we do have halogen quad headlamps right there, and they are incredibly bright. As well, you do have the fog lights just down there. You have some chrome accenting up front with the Dodge logo. And then around the side here you do have 19-inch rims with your tires there, and they are awesome. They look great. I love the black on those as well. There's still lots of tread left on them. Now up here you do have heated exterior mirrors in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and with the heat it'll get it warmed up a little bit quicker for you, especially in the winter here, and you can get going. You got the Journey logo back here and the SXT logo. You can open it up just right here as long as it is unlocked. You do have your backup camera right there, and coming around the back here you do have a lot of room. As well, you have this little storage container. You can lift this up and access that. You got an emergency flashlight right here if you ever need it. It's right there. You can also fold these forward by pulling this and just leaning it forward, and they will fold up just like that. And then you do have even more room for storage, and it is very soft as well, so nothing will be getting damaged back here. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do got 2 presses to activate your remote start, which is super nice, especially in the winter. It'll get it going nice and quick for you. But let's unlock and jump on in. So on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out right here, plus a bit of that chrome accenting. Handle here, storage down here. And then you do have your controls over your electric seat right here, back and forward, and this one is the lumbar support. This one does tilt it forward and back. And then you got your controls over your lights, so you got your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, and then you have your in-cabin light control there. This guy here does control your windshield wipers as well as your turning signals and your high beams. Okay, keys are in my pocket, foot on the brake, and there we go. Now, in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge and we have our oil temperature. And you can change the guy in the middle, so you got all these different options. You got fuel economy, you can see what channel we're on, you got the vehicle speed, trip info, tire KPA, vehicle info, messages, and you can turn the menu off if it was too bright for you. I like to leave it on the vehicle speed. You also can control all that from right here. Then you have your voice recognition, your call out button. You have your horn, and you have your cruise control options on the other side. And then around the back of the steering wheel here, let's see if I can see it. There we go. You got your volume up and down for your radio, and you got an identical one on the other side for your channel changer, just so you never have to take your hand off the steering wheel. Now you do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here, so you got your AM and your FM as well as your Sirius XM. You have your media player if you have one hooked up, so you have Bluetooth or through USB or an aux cord. You have your controls over your heated seats as well as your outlet, and you can turn the screen off. Then you have the dual climate control here as well. You can change that so you and your passenger can have different levels if you want it. You also have your navigation here, so you got your view map. You can see that we are on Rec Place, of course. Then you also have your phone options and your more options if you wanted to do any of those things, so your rear entertainment and your settings. And then down here you do have your hazard lights, your AC. Oop, let's not turn that on. You got your circulation, your front and rear defrost, and your traction control. Volume up and down. This is your climate control as well, so your heat up and down, as well as the power, the off, the auto, and the browser. And then you have a SD card slot here and a CD player here. And then down there you do have a little bit of storage as well as a plug-in if you want to charge your phone or something. You got your cup holders here, gear shift here. When you do shift into reverse, you do have your backup camera, which, as you know, is very nice to have. You have your armrest here that doubles as a storage container. You got a USB plug-in and an aux cord as well as a 12-volt plug-in in there. Then close that guy up, and over here you do have a locking glove box, which is very nice. If someone were to break in and it was locked, they wouldn't be able to get in, and it would be good. So then you do also have your controls over your sunroof right here, and you have a little mirror there with your sunglass holder, and there is our sunroof. It is quite nice outside. Plus you do have a universal garage door opener right there. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. You do have the chrome accenting right there as well, and you do have a handle here and some more storage down here, and quite a bit of room back here as well. It is very soft as well, so it's the same as the front. You do have some plugins down here for an AV or for a there we go. You have a little plug in there for a game system or something, and it does hook up to up here. to a little screen, 9-inch screen. They do also have control over their own climate there, and some storage just down here. You can also slide this forward, pull that down, and you can jump in the back here. It is 2 more seats, so it does seat 7 altogether, and there's lots of room. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Dodge Journey SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.